Hey everyone, TLK Knitting here. Happy knitting, knitters. So for today, if you are looking for a newer stitch to work on, you can work on the Knit 2 Purl 2 if you have gotten past the knitting and the purling and you want to combine your stitches. This is a great way to get you started on the Knit 2 Purl 2. So let's get started. Like, subscribe, and let's get working on the Knit 2 Purl 2. Let's go. Okay, so I have already started to do the Knit 2 Purl 2, and this is in the round. So if you're ready to work on in the round, here is the start of how to knit 2 Purl 2. So I'm just gonna continue in the round. I'm gonna knit 2. I'm gonna purl 2. Okay, purl 1, purl 2. And we're going to continue going in the round that way. Knit 2. Okay. And then we're going to purl 2. And don't worry if you get distracted or you were not paying attention to your stitches at the time of something coming up. As you knit along, you will see this is the knit and this is the purl. So if you end up knitting on the purl and purling on the knit, your stitches will show, and all you can do is just take them out and continue knitting. Knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2. Knit 1, knit 2. And just go all the way around your knit 2, purl 2. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. And continue all the way around.